Welcome to this step-by-step demonstration on how to log into the SAP system. In this session, you'll learn how to access your SAP environment securely and effectively using the SAP Logon application. Whether you're just getting started with SAP or need a refresher, this process ensures you can confidently begin working within the system every time you log in. You'll walk through locating the SAP Logon application, selecting the correct system such as development, testing, or production, and entering the necessary credentials including client number, user ID, and password. You'll also learn how to select your preferred language and review your login details before finalizing the process. Let's take a moment to see how this seemingly simple step is critically important in a global organization like Pepsi. Imagine Pepsi's supply chain operations, which run 24/7 across multiple regions. A logistics coordinator in Brazil logs into the SAP production system to confirm the shipment of raw ingredients to a bottling plant. Meanwhile, a finance analyst in Canada is logging into a test environment to simulate a new payment run configuration. And back in the United States, an IT specialist uses the development system to implement enhancements in the materials management module. Each of these professionals depends on accessing the correct SAP environment, whether for live transactions, safe testing, or technical development. Logging into the wrong system could result in test data being posted in production or live transactions being disrupted. That's why correct login procedures, secure credential handling, and system awareness are foundational to business continuity and data integrity. Now think about your own role. Do you know which system to log into for each task? Are you careful with your login details and access credentials? Could reinforcing secure SAP login habits prevent unauthorized access or costly errors? Let's get started with the SAP login process and ensure you're set up for success every time you access the system. Before you can log in, you first need to open the SAP Logon application on your computer. This application serves as the gateway to access the SAP system and perform your designated tasks. To locate SAP Logon, first search for the SAP Logon icon on your desktop or within the Windows Start menu. The SAP Logon icon typically features the recognizable SAP logo, making it easy to identify. If you don't see the icon, you can utilize your computer's search function for quicker access. Press the Windows plus S keys, type SAP Logon, and select the application when it appears in the search results. After locating the SAP Logon application, double-click the icon to launch it. Upon opening SAP Logon, you'll see a window displaying a list of available SAP systems. Each listed system represents a unique environment serving specific organizational functions. The production system is used for real-time business transactions and daily operations, while the testing system is dedicated to evaluating and verifying changes before they are applied live. Additionally, the development system enables developers to build, refine, and experiment with new features. To proceed, select the correct SAP system name by clicking on it to highlight your choice. Next, click the Logon button located at the bottom of the window to continue. When the SAP login screen appears, your first action is to find the client field. The client field requires a 3-digit identifier unique to your company's SAP environment. Carefully enter the client number exactly as provided by your SAP administrator. Entering the correct client number ensures connection to the appropriate database. Next, proceed to the user field and enter your unique SAP user ID or username. This identifier is assigned specifically to you by your system administrator. Review your entry carefully for accuracy, ensuring there are no typographical errors. After entering your user ID, move to the password field and securely type your SAP password. Your password is case sensitive and protects your account and company data. SAP allows users to operate in various languages based on individual preference. Locate the language field on the login screen to set your preferred language. If the language field is empty, enter EN for English or another preferred language code. If your desired language already appears correctly, no action is needed. Before finalizing the login process, carefully review all entered details. Confirm that the client number, user ID, password, and language are correct. When ready, click the Logon button or simply press the Enter key to continue. SAP will authenticate your credentials and grant system access if everything matches. If logging in for the first time, SAP might prompt you to change your password for enhanced security. Upon successful login, the SAP Easy Access screen appears as your primary workspace. This screen serves as your main dashboard from which you can initiate tasks. The menu tree located on the left side allows navigation through various SAP functions, while the toolbar at the top includes frequently used tools and shortcuts. The SAP system name you're connected to appears clearly on the title bar. When your SAP session is complete, it's crucial to log out properly. Logging out securely protects your account and sensitive company information. Click System from the top menu bar, then select Log Off to end your session. Alternatively, use the Exit button and confirm if prompted to finalize your logout. Well done! You've now completed the walkthrough for securely logging into SAP. From launching the SAP Logon application to selecting the appropriate system and entering your client, user ID, password, and language, you've seen how each step plays a key role in granting secure and accurate access to the SAP environment. This login process is more than just a routine. It's the gateway to everything you'll do in SAP, from creating purchase orders to verifying invoices or analyzing reports. Logging into the wrong client, misentering credentials, or skipping the review step can lead to delays, errors, or security risks. But by following these best practices, you protect company data and ensure operational integrity. Let's return to the Pepsi example. With global teams working around the clock, correct SAP login procedures are vital. A packaging manager in India may be initiating a material requirements planning run, while a warehouse clerk in Poland is updating stock transfers in real time. Behind each of these actions is a secure login that connects users to the right SAP system, giving them the tools and data needed to keep operations flowing. Now think about your SAP experience. Have you ever logged into the wrong environment? Do you double check your client number and language settings? Are your credentials securely stored and managed? By mastering the login process, you're taking the first step towards secure, efficient, and compliant SAP operations. Keep practicing good habits. They set the foundation for every task you'll complete in the system. You're off to a strong start.